fasting. What is intermittent fasting? It is a pattern of eating that involves regular short-term fasting and then periods of food consumption. Most people understand that intermittent fasting is a weight loss intervention, and that's not quite the case. It is true that you can lose some weight, but it also improves metabolic health, rejuvenates the body, repairs genes, extends life, and much more. Depending on the person who practices it, it will depend on the type of intermittent breakfast you want to do. A simple way to do it could be, for example, not eating anything after 6 p.m. until the next day at breakfast. Tip 2. Intermittent fasting makes us look younger and live longer. One of the most exciting applications of intermittent fasting, and why many people do it, is because it has the ability to prolong our life incredibly. More specifically, it can trigger, so to speak, a process called autophagy, where our cells eat whatever the body is not using to use as energy and, at the same time, repair and optimize the body.